how's it going? I hope you're doing well and we hope you are ready to learn something new.
Hey, my name is Leonardo. In today's video, we'll be talking about a traditional Holland dish called Oilebollen.
New Year is a festivity in which people get together to celebrate the end of a year and the beginning of a new one with their loved ones.
Like in the most of the countries in the world, in Holland, they get together with family and friends to drink champagne and eat Oilebollen. They also like to New Year's week, which translates to first day of the year, and they do it in the first day of the year to wash the old year off.
Their origins date back to the Germanic tribes hundreds of years ago. They are said to have been first eaten by Germanic tribes in the Netherlands during the Yule, the period between December 26 and January 6, where such baked goods were used. It was originally called Oliekoek, which is mentioned in 1652 in the Dutch book De Vestiging Koek, but in 1868 a Dutch dictionary.
It was believed that the Germanic goddess Percha, together with evil spirit, will fly through the midwinter sky. To appease this spirit, food was a fear, much of the which contained deep friends, though it was said Percha would try to cut open the bellies of the all she came across, but because of the fat in the Oilebollen, her sword whole slide off the body of the whoever ate them.
If you want to make 40 of these delicious Oilebollen, you will need
Now say, we'll talk about how to do this amazing recipe by yourself. Get the ingredients. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar in the water, sprinkle the yeast on top and allow to stand for 10 minutes. Mix together the flour and remaining 1/4 cup of the granulated sugar in a large bowl and make a hole in the middle and the eggs in the yeast mixture to the hole. Warm up the milk in the microwave just until it is lukewarm. Add half of the milk to the hole in the flour and mix until the ingredients are combined. Add the rest of the milk and mix until smooth.
Step 5. Cover the bowl with a damp dish towel and let it rise in a warm area for about an hour. Once the dough has doubled, stir it in the salt and let it sit while you heat the oil. Step 6. Heat the oil to 350 Fahrenheit in a large deep pan or in a deep fryer. Step 7. Quickly dip 2 tablespoons into the oil and form small balls of the dough while the oil tablespoon carefully scraping and dropping the dough into the hot oil. The Oilebollen will sink to the bottom of the pan and then pop right back up. Fry until golden brown on both sides, carefully flipping when required. Dry on a train lined with paper towel. Step 9. Sugar over the Oilebollen as well as a dusting of ground cinnamon and serve warm.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, liked the recipe and learned something new.
If you enjoyed, please let us know in the comments down below.
If you want more people to know about this video, don't think twice, share it with your friends and family.